How to fix Call of Duty mobile network connection error. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix Call of Duty mobile network connection error, you can follow this quick and easy step. So firstly, to improvise the network connection, tap open your phone settings. In the phone setting, you need to click on the search icon. In the search bar, you need to search for developer option and tap on it. So over here, scroll down until you see the option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. This particular feature will help you to improvise the network performance as well as reduces battery drain. So make sure to toggle this on. If you are someone who uses cellular data to play a mobile game, you can actually toggle on the option of mobile data always active. Once you enable this, you will notice that the network connection have improvised a lot. Next thing, to fix any of the connection error, you can actually switch up your network connection. You can try either a different Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data. You can also enable airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then turn it back on. That's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.